Okay, well, we have a minute. Okay, we just have a few seconds for the bell. We will get back to the Reliance story in just a minute. The markets are opening about 0.25% higher, different from what the SGX Nifty had indicated. It was more flat, and the Nifty Bank also has climbed. But as Anuj was forecasting, and very correctly, mid caps are super outperformers today, up about 0.6%. So it's a very healthy advanced decline, 7 in the green for 1 in the red. There is a mix of financials and manufacturing as far as the gainers. ONGC, Vedanta, Bajaj Finance, Tata Steel, Z, JSW Steel, IndusInd Bank, Coal India, Bajaj Finserv, SBI. So in the top 10, there are about 3 or 4 financials, and the rest are largely metal companies. So there is a bit of a global cheer as well. IT stocks are not doing too well. Mid cap, Sonia?
The index, Lata, is doing well. As you just said, there's a big outperformance in the mid-caps, up about 100 points, so that's 0.7%. The advanced decline ratio is also very strong at 1264 stocks on the advancing side. By the way, Reliance has hit a fresh high, so up almost about 1% at 1670 now on Reliance. So looking pretty good. A couple of other stocks as well. Just focus on the mid-cap space, and some of these names surging now. IRB Infra up almost 6%. You have Future Retail that's moving up almost about 4%. Motherson Sumi is up almost about 2%, so come back there. Manappuram and Muthoot continue to move higher. L&T Finance, so NBFCs are doing pretty well this morning. And then you have a couple of these names from the commercial vehicle space. Ashok Leyland is up almost about 1% right now. So the going is good, really. The Bank Nifty is now up almost about 1%. Infrastructure actually is doing well. So I spoke about IRB Infra, but many of these other stocks, you have something like an Adani Green that's doing well. Suzlon is up almost about 5%. On the downside, not too many stocks to worry about. But getting our focus back on the frontliners, the Bajaj twins are piling on the gains now. So Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv up about 2.5%. Anuj, a good opening for the market, holding on to the 10,130 zone. This, of course, sentiment boost from Reliance is something that is augmenting, the market further. But your thoughts? Now the Bank Nifty is piling on some more gains.
Yeah, I think now it's running away, Sonia. Now, UPL, so many stocks, in fact, on the upside. On the downside, some correction in IndusInd Bank. This month it's up 24%, so some perhaps giving back. ITC down 1.5%, and some correction in Z and Infosys as well. Surabhi.
Okay, that's the large cap space. Mid caps have relatively underperformed today. The mid cap index is up about 0.8%, but there are still gains to speak of. Let's look at the screen then. This move on Indiabulls Housing Finance was hard to ignore, really. 30% up, stocks at 202 rupees. Besides that, look at DLF, very strong performance, 9% on the upswing today. Equitas was up and about. Ashok Leyland, NCC, these are some of the other key names. L&T Finance Holdings had a good session. BEL in the last minutes of trade, just the last 4-5 minutes, is big surge, 5.5% coming in on that stock as well. Edelweiss, Repco Home Finance, basically NBFCs seem to be coming back, at least for now. Now, whether it's a trading move or not, we don't know. But there was a lot of price traction today. On the flip side of the screen, you've seen some cool off in stocks like Biocon. We've seen City Union Bank come under stress after earnings. PTC India Financial Services also declining. GSFC saw some gains come off the table as well. But otherwise, it was largely speaking, it was a good day. JK Cement should be also kept in mind, 11% up on that stock. And Piramal Enterprises and Chola Investments. So basically, there's a lot of bottom fishing that is going on in the NBFC space. Well, with that, we come to the end of today and this week. The market has managed to put on a little over 2.5% on the board once again on the Nifty. So that's it from the entire team of Closing Bell. Many thanks for being with us, but do stay tuned because we have commodity champions coming up next.